Hey there, in this video I'll show you how to turn off the volume limit on your LG Smart TV. When I turn the volume up, you can see it only goes to 20, whereas it normally goes to 100. I'll also show you where you can change this volume limit and also how to toggle between normal and volume limits. Let's get started. What we want to do is go to the very top left of your TV. You'll see an icon of a guy or girl. Click on that. This takes a second or two to load. And once it does, we want to scroll down this list and go to Usage Care. Click there. Next, we have Usage Care, and we want to toggle to the right to Family Care. We see some blank items. What we need to do from here is scroll down and keep going. And voila, we have volume limit mode. As you can see, it's turned on, so you can turn it off from here, or you can go down to max volume, click, and now we can toggle by pressing and holding the OK button, and you can change the sound level. Let's say I'll leave it at 57. I'll click set. Now, if I want to turn it off altogether, I can just come here, volume limit mode, turn it off. This will return it to 100% volume. I'm going to leave it turned on at 57 for this example. So now that part is done, let's back out. Let's check what the max volume is now. It goes up to 57. Now, if we want to toggle between this newly set 57 and normal max volume, what we want to do is again, go across to this left-hand menu, click on Settings, go along this top row to edit this panel, go down to the plus sign, and scroll down to volume limit mode. Click here, and now you can see volume limit mode is in the bottom left. It has some arrows around it, which allows you to move it to where you would like it to stay. Once you're happy, just click OK, and back again. Now what we can do is just check the volume is still at 57. Let's go ahead, click Settings, and we can go to the volume limit on. Now it says volume limit off, and let's check for volume. It goes all the way up to 100. So you have a couple of options there. You can switch it off altogether underneath Usage Care, or you can go to Settings and you can add the volume limit mode. So I hope this has been informative. If it has, please give the video a thumbs up. It really helps me out. Thanks for watching. Check out my channel for more videos, and I wish you a great day ahead.